this question asked in GATE 2016 in 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying and what it is asking you. Consider the following context free grammars. Okay. G1 and G2 is given. Which one of the following pairs of languages is generated by the G1 and G2 respectively? As I told you in previous question, okay, we need to take the productions and try to make the language of that production. Okay. So for G1, first you need to change here. Here is what? Here is and. In the original question of GATE, this is a typing mistake, and here is what? Here is or. Here is what? Or. Right. Here is what? Or. Correct. So let's see. Take G1, what it is saying, S tends to AS / B, and the production is what? B tends to what? B / BB. So what is the language of B? Equal to what? It is generating minimum string is what? B. Then you will take the production BB, then you will replace this B by this B. So what you will get also here? BB. Okay. And if you will replace, if you will take BB, then you will replace this B again, this BB, and this B again, this B, then what you will get? Triple B. Okay. So this is again a string of the LB. Okay. So what we can say that? We can say that V is generating what? LB is equal to what? B ka positive closure. LB is generating what? B ka positive closure. Right. So what is S tends to A? What is starting production? S tends to AS / B. So what we need to replace B here? AS / and what is generating language of B? B positive closure. B positive closure. Okay. So what is A generating here? What is A generating here? A generating here what? A clean closure. A generating what? A. So A generating what? A clean closure. B positive closure. So S is generating what? A clean closure, positive closure. A clean closure, positive closure means the minimum string of ls equal to what? Ls equal to what? B. Ls equal to what? Ls equal to what? B. Okay. And if we are taking epsilon again, then what? BB, and so on and so on. Again other string is what? AB. AB you can also take, and so on. Right. So here is the or. Here is the or. Either you can take A or B, but sometimes we also want AB together. That's why it is wrong. What it is saying in the second statement, or either you can take M or N, means, and as we know that we need AB together also, so that's why it is also wrong. So it is generating by default base language D. Okay, you need to check. So similarly we will calculate for G2. So option D is correct. When we will calculate for G2, then we will get this. Okay. So that's why option D is correct. You can see the in solution. This is a solution for this question. First we will calculate for what? G1. First we will calculate for G1. It is generating B positive closure. Okay. Now substituting here, so it is generating what? A asterisk B positive closure. Okay. So LG1 generated this. For G2 we will take A, B, epsilon, A, and B is generating what? B clean closure. Okay. From the production B tends to BB. Okay. B tends to BB. It is generating what? B closure. So what? A, B asterisk, A star, B star. Okay. Similarly for this production. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.